Giuseppe, what are you doing?
No, I'm cutting some metal for my seats in the little truck.
What are you doing with all this?
You didn't see that big package that came yesterday?
Seats.
Yeah.
Check it tracks?
Well, sort of. The seat has to come higher and stuff. Okay. This is basically going to be the thing.
So this is going to lift them up. It's going to make
basically,
them higher.
Yeah. Right? I need 4.
Okay. Where's the seat?
Let's
check out the
seat.
seat.
This is the seat. Check it out.
Nice. These things are cool looking. They look like some dragster seats or something from back in the 60s.
They're awesome, aren't they?
I do like them.
So there's going to be seat tracking. You pull this to
all right,
go back and
just
forth.
the adjustment, right? All right, so you're telling me they sit low right now?
They're too low. Way too low.
So they're going to go up.
They got to go up.
Let's hammer it out. Let's go.
You got it.
You're using angle iron, so what are you going to do?
With the angle iron, there's going to be a piece of metal. I'm going to bolt it to the seat tracking all together. Then I'm going to get another piece of angle iron to bolt up to the angle iron I already put. It's going to bolt up to that, and that'll be the adjusting point. So
up and down.
For up and down and all that kind of stuff.
Oh, yeah, I got you. You're going to put more than one hole.
More than one hole, so all that kind of stuff. Just make it fit, you know?
I think it's going to work nice. Let's do it. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Let's do it. The middle line of this angle iron. This angle iron is 2 inch by 2 inch. So half of 2 is 1. So I'm going to put 1 inch. Then I'm going to find the center of this center line. So there's going to be a center line here on this side, and then there's going to be a center line on this side, on both sides.
Over there. Go ahead. Okay, that's good. Now go drill it. Then we're gonna bolt these on. Then we're gonna move the thing the other way. Then you're gonna drill the other hole because this way I don't want to lose anything.
Pops!
Yeah.
Alright, do those bolts fit?
Okay. Don't put them tight, just snuggle them up.
Snuggle them up? Now...
Push these up. Go ahead. All the way. Okay.
There we go.
Now you can draw the bottom hole. See?
Exactly. Let me get the
Beautiful.
marker.
If you grab it from here, if you do this, you know, you get a bad angle. But look at it. Hey. If you go and do this, look how much more room you have. And you can sit there and you can do the whole thing. Hey?
Okay. Alright.
Come on this side now and do it.
Like this, right?
He's doing it again, isn't he? Now drill, I would just do the round one because it's nice and round.
I would.
Do the round one.
Back and forth with the oval one.
See? Nice and round. Alright, go ahead, drill those. Giuseppe, how you making out?
Good. I got the seat in.
Oh, look how cool that looks.
Cool, ain't it?
Like an old drag car. But how far did you get though? You're not done.
No, I'm not done yet. I have to take the seat back out, do a couple of things. So I got the bottom bracket welded into the floor pan.
All right,
right?
yeah.
But I don't want to keep it like that. I'm going to be making another bracket that goes from this bracket to this brace, because that's a stronger piece.
Right, you should do that, because that might just be sheet metal. Like
That's just sheet metal.
So you
That's
gotta
not going to be as strong
just
as...
extend them a little bit and...
Right, I'm going to make another bracket that's going to go onto this strong brace right there.
Okay,
but
cool.
But basically, that's how you're looking.
Is it comfortable?
Yes.
This does not look like it's easy to sit in. This is not good for old people.
Comfortable?
Oh, this is nice. Oh,
Wait, let's...
this
look at
hugs me
human
right
style.
around my ass.
Put your arm out. Go ahead. No.
Oh, you mean like this?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this.
Cool, Landon.
You look like you own the world
Yeah.
while you're taking it over.
So, do you fit in the seat good?
Yes, this is crazy comfortable.
Good.
Wow,
Good.
it hugs you really good. Show trucks and everyday trucks are two different things.
Right.
One's comfortable and ugly, and the other one is really good looking, but very uncomfortable. Looks good,
come on,
man.
it's comfortable.
All right. So now you're gonna finish welding everything in,
Finish
make it all
welding it in.
permanent.
And then make that bracket that will weld onto that brace. This way
You got
it's
it, bro.
stronger.
Take it over the world.